Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tracy. I go by Dear Tracy on YouTube, and I am an American who just recently moved to Japan for my husband's job. If you're not new here, you guys already know the deal. I need to start introducing myself in some of these videos. I feel like I've just been on YouTube for a little bit of time, on and off. I've been on YouTube since like 2012, but very on and off. As you can see, today's mission is to get our clothes in the closet. I have a lot of clothes. I thought I got rid of a lot of clothes, but I got a lot of clothes. And winter time is approaching. I'm here in a hoodie, waiting for the gas guy to come turn the gas on. The apartment tour video should already be up. You should already see a signing for the apartment. So it was actually really lucky of us to get an apartment so quickly. We did compromise a little bit on location, but that's okay because I also start school here soon. So I'll be going to school in January, and that's going to be really fun. We're going to do a lot of school series, a lot of Let's Study, because my hope is to learn the language in... Okay, so I want to take the N3 after my wedding. So my wedding is next year, at the end of the year. I want to take the N3 2027. So what I'll probably do to test myself is take the N4 next year. And I want to take the N3 in 2027. And my hope is to not have fluency, but, you know, like be able to communicate and talk to people in 5 years. That's the hope. I've always wanted to learn Japanese. And now this is a push because why not? Everybody here has been so nice, so accommodating. I have been mainly like inputting a lot of Japanese. I've been doing this method that I found on TikTok, which is essentially don't give yourself more than 5 seconds to respond. And it's helped a lot because I have studied Japanese a little bit. So to deliver our fridge, the note was all in Japanese. Our bed just arrived and they only speak Japanese. So I can get it a bit, but it's a lot of context clues. But I'm not afraid to, like, you know, say yes and really listen and try not to respond in English unless it's something super important. Like we set up the internet. Well, the internet's not here yet. The internet's here next week, but we got internet and we just asked to speak to someone English because my husband needs good Wi-Fi, and I was like, I don't know anything internet-wise. But anywho, welcome. That was a long intro, but welcome. So today we're just in the house, stuck in the house bored. Actually, we're not bored because we've got a lot to do. I'll just show you how much we have to do, but it's a mess. And we'll start sorting the closet, but welcome guys. Today's vlog, it might be boring for some, but some could have it as background noise. I've watched so many people just do random things on YouTube, and it's always kind of fun to see that. But all right. Just checking in. I am never buying gyoza again because it just left the smell in my brand new delicious fridge. And I'm not very happy about that. So I have the doors open for a few seconds to try to air it out, which I think it's already working. So that's great. So just checking in. This is where we're at right now, which I think I've done great. This is where we're at. So basically, I have that still needs to go in. Ignore all those bags. Funny enough, those bags are not mine. They're my husband's. Obviously, he's not going to be organizing his closet till I'm done. His side, I mean. Yes, fridge. I feel like these need to go into chest of drawers. They're like bottoms and skirts and my gym clothes. I don't think I want those hanging up with everything else. Our bed just arrived, which is so exciting because it wasn't supposed to come till the end of the week, but now our bed is here and our mattress is coming today too. So very excited. The sheets are not coming till a bit later, which is okay because I want to wash the sheets obviously before putting them on the bed, but we have a bed. The gas guy is here just as I was taking my well-deserved break. He arrives, so I'll have hot water. I'll be able to take a nice hot shower because cold showers are not it. They are not it. Have gas, which means I could take a hot shower. I think you have to keep this thing on for the gas to go. And right now I'm just reheating my dumplings from last night. My first meal in the apartment. Guys, I forgot to tell you, I ordered my Christmas cake. So you know in Japan they do cakes and like fried chicken for Christmas. So I ordered my cake. I'm getting the chocolate one. If it focuses, you see it. See that number 9? Yeah, I'm getting the chocolate one. So I saw this all over the place. And I ordered that, so I'm really excited. And I don't think we're gonna do fried chicken from KFC. I think we're going to make fried chicken because we tried KFC chicken and it's just okay. Maybe we just caught them at an off day, but cake is secured. That's all that matters. Guys, this is probably where I'm gonna leave you for today. It is such a gloomy day here in Tokyo, so I'm losing light super fast. Also, it's fall is basically here. I'm gonna run to my supermarket to go look for garlic and ginger. Completely forgot to get that in the grocery shop yesterday. But yeah, so I will see you guys tomorrow where we'll continue organizing this place. Hopefully I'll have a bed to show you. But all right, see you guys. Guys, I have yet to say hello. We are at Treasure Factory. Came to come look at some stuff. It is so cold here. Like, I have a turtleneck. I have my RYX hoodie on. It's just so cold. But getting more apartment stuff, getting a heated blanket because again, we're in the cold season, and a kettle and a French press, and that's it. I'm being very smart with not spending a lot. I spent $10 at Daiso, so 1,000 yen. And here, I'll probably spend like 30 bucks because the heated blanket is a little pricey, but cheaper than Amazon. So that's today. I don't even know if you heard me inside Treasure Factory, but I've now taken myself out for some conveyor belt sushi because it's just a really gloomy day. Like, honestly, I can go for some miso soup, but we have that at home because I bought a miso soup pack. So we got that at home, so we're gonna get that. It was squid that I ate. Sorry, I had bought sushi at the market and I had no idea what it was. But we're here. We did a lot of house shopping today, which was really nice. The only thing we didn't get was something for the bathroom, like a tension hole to store our things. That's okay. That's something that we can get at Nitori later. But I'm gonna eat. Let's do a quick haul of everything we got at Treasure Factory, Daiso, as well as, where did I go? Life. I had to stop by Life. So let's do a quick haul to show you a few things that I got. I think I spent like 40 bucks. I didn't spend that much today because I went with a mission. I went to not spend a lot of money. Ignore the mess that you can clearly see behind me. Let's just pretend that that doesn't exist. Like we aren't, you know, moving into a new phase of our life. New tension rod for the shower, because both my husband and I hate the current tension rod that we have. I got a kettle. Now I can make my coffees. I got a kettle. I don't have a to-go mug, but that's okay. I'm gonna actually put this in the sink to wash. I got shampoo and conditioner. So I've been using Asian shampoo for a while now, and this one came highly recommended for dry hair. Oh, I got floss. Like every adult, we need floss. I got an empty container to put my shampoo and conditioner in. I got tissues. These are for my neighbors. I'm going to write them a message, you know, just to say, hi, we're new here, please take care of us. I have to look up how exactly to write that message. I know one is yoroshiku onegaishimasu, but I need to figure out. Trash bags. Oh, how exciting. It is getting cold. It's getting very cold. So I bought an electric blanket. Gift bags. This is for my neighbors. Sink pipe cleaner. Gloves to clean around the house. A new bowl. Let us open this up. Oh my god, this newspaper, I'm not going to show it because I think I'll just get blocked on YouTube, but this newspaper has naked women on it. And I was like, weirdly, you're coming home with me, but at the same time, I had to put it inside out so no one would see what was on the newspaper. Guys, stunning French press. Oh my god. Obviously it's used, but it's this gorgeous gold color. Stunning. Can't wait to make my coffee in here. I did bring my coffees because I had some coffee that my friend from London gifted me. You know, I used to live in London, and one of my really good friends gifted me some coffee from, I forgot where it's from, which is crazy because I love that coffee. When I went to Poland this year, she also bought me some coffee. Anna is the plug. Anna, I know you're watching this. You are the plug. I am obsessed. Obsessed. So I have to be very careful with this because I'm kind of clumsy. So make sure not to drop this.